Turning now to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbert this morning. As far as those temperatures go, honestly, all things considered, we've seen a lot worse in places like Christmas Valley and Lakeview this morning. I was kind of surprised by the temperatures in Medford. Are we going to warm up at all today or kind of stay on the cooler side?
Yeah, I mean, we'll warm up a little bit. We'll still be on the cooler side when it comes to average temperatures for this time of the year, but only by a few degrees. But it definitely is pretty chilly out there with 20s over on the east side, 30s for west side valleys and along the coast. So I think we'll almost certainly have some frost to the east of the Cascades. We'll be on the bubble when it comes to that for our west side valleys and along the coast. You can see visibility is reduced right now towards Sexton Summit, also towards Grants Pass. So within those areas, especially on the Interstate 5 and some of the higher terrain up there, use vigilance on the roadways, use the low beams, but elsewhere not dealing with any reductions in visibility. Just seeing a few rain and snow showers this morning. You can see on Stormcast that we'll continue to wind all that down as we get to lunchtime. Even less popping up on radar, even less for dinner time, and then will likely all be dry well into the evening. You can see by midnight, likely not even a lot of clouds that'll be left over. Here's your outdoor dining forecast for today for the Rogue Valley, and giving it 1 star for both the lunch and dinner time. It's just going to be way too cold. Temperatures right on the precipice of 40 degrees for both lunch and for dinner time. It's mainly going to be a dry day today in the Newswatch 12 viewing area, despite some of the rain and snow icons you can see on this graphic. I think it's likely going to be a gray day and a chilly day. Will be near freezing for the east side, near 40 degrees for west side valleys, and near 50 degrees there along the southern Oregon coastline. And like you saw in Stormcast, most of the showers in that winding down process for today. Winds, they'll be gusty coming out of the northwest, gusting between 25 to 30 miles per hour over on the east side and up in the Cascades. And then overnight, temperatures go way down compared to this morning. We'll be in the single digits over on the east side, 20s for west side valleys, and right near freezing there along the southern Oregon coastline. And we'll likely see some more fog filled back into our west side valleys of Siskiyou County, Jackson, and Josephine County. Can't even rule out some patchy fog within the Klamath Basin as well. Here's your hiking planner over the next few days for the west side valleys. Essentially the same forecast all 3 days. Mostly sunny skies and temperatures right at, if not just a little bit below average for this time of the year. You can see we keep it pretty dry this week, and the next chance for rainfall doesn't come until Sunday, and early indications are that that specific system isn't looking too impressive. Here's your 7-day forecast for the coast. Small chance for showers today. And then the rest of the week is looking dry and actually looking pretty decent. Temperatures will be right near 50 degrees along the coast. That'll definitely be the warmest portion of the Newswatch 12 viewing area. You can see down in Siskiyou County, we'll be hovering near 40 degrees for the remainder of the week. And even that little small chance for rain today and even for Sunday, not showing up in our 7-day forecast. So a very dry stretch of weather for Northern California, and even for the east side, looking pretty dry, minus the chance for snow showers today. And look how cold those morning time lows are going to be, all down in the single digits. In fact, we'll flirt with negatives for a couple of those mornings. Then for the Cascades and Siskiyous, temperatures hovering around freezing for the next 7 days, even colder during the mornings and nights. And then for the Rogue Valley, we'll be pretty average for this time of the year. Small chance for showers today, but then for the rest of the week, looking cold, or looking chilly at the very least, but will be mostly sunny on top of that.